Hello guys, welcome to AI and Automation Express channel. In this playlist of the video, we will take an idea about UiPath computer vision feature, how it is leveraging AI neural networks and what is use of it and what are different activities available in the UiPath for computer vision. So this video will cover about what is computer vision, why UiPath has introduced it. So as we know in a real-time scenario, we need to do a automation of different type of uh, applications automations inside VMware, inside Citrix, or we need to work on some of the special kind of applications automation like a PDF, Silverlight, Flash, remote desktop. All those are not directly available for automation via UiPath normal activities. If we do that automation, then also there is an issue of the reliability, right? So to solve that issue, UiPath has come up with the computer vision feature. So reliably automating virtual desktop environments like Citrix, VMware, remote desktop has always been a tough nut to track the automation. Attempts to solve this challenge have used OCR and image matching, but this lead to reliability and maintenance issue. So if we use image and OCR matching or other different techniques and do those automations, then there is a reliability issue, and especially when the minor change happen to that applications. So this is the first point why UiPath had introduced the computer vision. The image matching algorithm is prone to error, and due to that challenges, the appearance of the target elements is changed and it will give us error. That often happens when the source image includes more backgrounds than it should be in the size, font, color, aspect ratio. All those, if anything is changed in that image, then that particular method will not work. So, the need of the computer vision. Computer vision solves this challenge with an algorithm that enables human-like recognition. This is a very important word. It is a human-like recognition. So as human is recognizing different changes on the screen, this computer vision activity is also capable using UiPath neural network to identify all those elements. So this is very important point. So human-like recognition of the user interfaces using a mix of AI, OCR, fuzzy text matching, a new image matching algorithm for icons, and anchoring system to tie it all together. It is also easy to use since all this happens behind the scene. So this all different type of techniques which is available to identify elements that UiPath has integrated in one solution, and they are coming up with the computer vision, and that will run in behind the scene and do that for us. So this is basically the use of computer vision, why UiPath has introduced that computer vision feature. So this all points I took from the UiPath Academy documentations. So you can find this in very detail with the UiPath Academy course, but this is the summary of that. So, computer vision. So here I explain that same point in the detail. Like the computer vision activities contains a refactored fundamental of UiPath automation activities such as a click, type into, get text. So all those activities is refactored in computer vision and they come up with those. The main difference between computer vision activities and their classic counterpart is their usage of the computer vision neural network developed in-house by our machine learning department. So this is very important point. Okay, so what is difference here from the conventional selectors which we were using? uh, they are working based on the neural network and machine learning algorithms developed by UiPath. The neural network is able to identify UI elements such as buttons, text, input fields or checkboxes without use of any selector. So it is not using selectors, but it is using a neural network algorithm behind the scenes and is able to identify all different type of elements of any applications. So in any application, we found this buttons, text, right? So all those can be identified using the neural network machine learning algorithm created mainly for automation in the virtual desktop environment, such as the Citrix machines. These activities bypass the issue of non-existent or unreliable selectors. As they send images of the window, you are automating to the neural network where it is analyzing, and all UI elements are identified and labeled according to what they are. So how this will work is whatever part of the application or full screen of the virtual desktop you want to automate, you need to tell computer vision activity like, okay, I want to automate this particular part. It will take a image of or screenshot of that particular part and send it to UiPath neural network. Then UiPath neural network machine learning algorithm is smart enough to identify all different elements available in that screenshot, and it will show us like, okay, all those this elements are available on this screen, so which all you are interested in, and whatever you are interested in, it will give you value of that. Or like if you want to type something over there, or if you want to click over there, so all those activities can be done once you have the elements identify. So this way it will work. So it this is also very good, important topic to remember. Like it will send a screenshot of the screen, and from that screen it is able to identify different elements, and you can perform different actions onto those particular elements. Now, the next one is smart anchors are used to pinpoint the exact location of the UI element you are interacting with, and ensuring the action you intend to perform is successful or not. So it is using a smart anchor. So as you know, in the modern activity, UiPath can identify anchors if your selector is not reliable. So same way here also, UiPath has that capability. If the elements are directly not identified, then it can have a identified anchors, and though based on that anchors, you can exactly pinpoint the exact location of that UI element onto the given screen which you are interested in. So that anchor support is also there. This is one of the very important feature they come up with the computer vision. And the next one is a support of dynamic UI elements. So if your structure of the application is dynamic, and the content is generated a dynamic, and you don't have a fixed elements like some applications may be developed with the Pega, and so we know, right, like Pega has a dynamic structure always. So if you want to automate that type of application, then also you can use a computer vision, because it will support a dynamic UI element. And why it is supporting? It's a very logical reason, because it is not using our conventional selector. It will use that screen, and from screen it will identify each location of the each elements using a neural network and machine learning algorithm. And the next feature, in which is very important feature, is runtime auto scrolling feature support. Okay, so this we will see in the next videos how this auto scroll feature will work. But if some of the elements is behind the screen, and UiPath has to scroll down, and then that particular element is visible on the screen, that type of scenario is there, then in those cases UiPath activities can auto scroll and scroll down the page, and then on that next screen which is coming up, it will able to automate the given action. Okay, so that is very good, interesting feature given in the new version of computer vision. So I will prepare a detailed video on each of this activity in this playlist. So this is first introduction video, so we will just park this topic here. But in the next coming videos, you can refer those videos and have a detailed idea about runtime auto scroll feature as well. Okay. So finally, what are our major takeaway from the computer vision? So we learn computer vision is to use reduced development time to build robust automations for the VMs. So basically, main focus is on VMware. And if you want to develop some automation on the VM, then you can use a computer vision. But these other scenarios like Citrix, PDF, Silverlight, Flash, Remote Desktop, all those also can be used. All those different applications automation can be done, and you can use to do automation of those scenarios using computer vision as well. Second is increase reliability and resistance to resolution, scale, or and minor UI changes. So if any resolution related changes, minor UI changes, any scale related changes happen in VMs or any of the type of applications which I just now described you, you can use this computer vision and you can increase reliability and resistance. Okay. And the last one is automate unsupported frameworks and cross-platform RPA. So unsupported framework means what? For example, Silverlight applications, Flash applications. Okay, so all those are not directly supported, right? And the cross-platform, so different platforms like remote desktop, PDFs. Okay, so all those um, different type of automations which is directly not supported with the conventional UiPath automation activities. Those are directly supported here in a computer vision, and you can do automation of those using UiPath computer vision. So, in a way, UiPath computer vision is very useful feature to do all these different type of automations which we mentioned in the screen. Okay, and it is using a neural network machine learning algorithm developed in-house by UiPath to identify all different elements on the screen. It is using a screenshot of the screen, and from that it is able to read the details and do automation. And it has a support for the smart anchors, and it has a support of dynamic UI elements, and it has a support of auto scroll feature as well. So this is the summary of the what is use of computer vision in the inside UiPath and why UiPath has come up with this very good feature called computer vision. In coming videos, we will go in a detail of each and every feature and what are the different properties given in the computer vision activities and how to use those. All those I will explain in detail with the demonstration. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please see video, give your feedback in the comment, and please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much.